Hey there, foodies! Welcome back. And today we're diving deep into the world of potatoes, focusing on one of the most versatile and beloved varieties, the russet potato. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more delicious content. Now, let's talk about the amazing russet potato. Introduction to russet potatoes. So, what makes the russet potato stand out? Well, it's known for its rough, netted skin and high starch content, making it perfect for a wide range of culinary applications. Cooking tips and techniques. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of cooking with russet potatoes. Whether you're baking, mashing, frying, or boiling, the russet potato is your go-to spud. And speaking of baking, nothing beats the crispy skin of a baked russet potato. Just rub it with olive oil, sprinkle some salt, and into the oven it goes. Nutritional benefits. Beyond the deliciousness, russet potatoes are also packed with nutrients. They're a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Fun facts. Now, let's spice things up with some fun facts about russet potatoes. Did you know that the first recorded mention of this potato variety dates back to the early 1800s? It's been a culinary superstar for centuries. Viewer engagement. Before we wrap up, let's hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy russet potatoes? Do you have any secret family recipes? Drop them in the comments below. And let's share the potato love. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to the amazing russet potato. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow potato enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, happy cooking!